In session 4 we added the create rental contract action, and when we created a rental contract we could pick a car, but we didn't have a way to set the renter of the rental contract. Still we have logged in, so if we could get hold of the current user that's logged in, that would be a good candidate for being the renter. So I'm going to show you how to do that, downloading the model. And let's look at the view model rental contract. And here we see the action create rental contract. That's the action that does the work. Create rental contract create. It is now. But we want to assign a renter as well when we do this. So let RC equals rental contract create. This way we can access the newly created object and assign the renter. I'll bring up another OCL editor, and I'm going to show you sys singleton is a class that we have in the ISP identity package, and the operator OCL singleton helps us to get the one and only instance of this that has an association called current user. So we assign that to the renter. Let's look at sys singleton. This is how it looks. It has association current user. That's persistent false, which means it's transient. This is how the diagram looks, and I have written a comment here about what you can use these things for, like the expression we just saw, sys singleton, OCL singleton, current user. And also I write here about access groups. Access groups is a way to control who can execute your actions and who could see your view models. But this one has no access group, so we're going to create a new access group, and let's call this logged in. And we need an expression to decide if we're logged in or not, and that's the sys singleton and the operator OCL singleton to get the only instance. And let's check the current user not empty. If this expression is true, then we're logged in, and we should enable, and we should also be visible, and we should have a view enabled expression, so that the view model, any view models controlled by this, is enabled. So assigning the create rental contract to this logged in access group, and also the view model rental contract. So now we see that logged in is one of the access groups that control this action. Uploading this model and heading back to the application, F5, I log off, and now you see that the create rental contract action disappeared. Logging in again should make it reappear, yes. And when I push it, create rental contract, you see that the renter was set, and also I can assign the car, and now we have a complete rental contract with an assigned user and also an assigned car. Set the dates and save. So that's how you can use access groups. Thank you. Bye.